Hey guys, I'm Randy. This is Sho-Me Tint. I'm going to show you what's going on in the shop today. We got a lot going on, like always. It's a little rainy outside. The deals are hot inside. So let's check them out, right? So we've got this, I told you about this last week. This is a full wrap, so this is a full wrap. They're finishing up the ceramic coating on the wrap, which helps protect it. You know, look at the sparkle, look at the shine. Guy is so hyped. And I love it when people get excited about their projects. He's like, I haven't been this excited since I was a kid, which, you know, might be a long time ago, might not be. I don't really know. This is Damascus. It's over the wrap. It had a chrome pin. He wanted a chrome pin stripe. We even put these chrome door handles in for him. He likes chrome. I tell everybody, everybody's different. We like matching your style and getting you rolling. So we've got it all cleaned up. It's starting to look really good. I think it's looking really good. It's jazzy. It's a little different. This guy likes being on the edge of things anyway. If it makes him happy and makes him feel like he's got it, then I love it. You know, I think it looks good. Got a little custom headliner work going on there. You can see that. So you wanted some new cab lights. We replaced those. My stereo guy will be over here in a minute, and you'll see him putting those wires in there and getting it all correct. So then we'll throw some ceramic tint on it. It'll be done. We got a little Renegade over here. It's not all big trucks. Whoa, dude, you see that? This is getting a full front clip, which we call that's full hood, full fenders. Wait, full hood, full fenders. Full hood, full fenders. Yeah, bumper little piece. We're gonna put some clear on it. Paint protection film, and then we're gonna do a ceramic coating everywhere else. Probably a 5-year coating. I've got to give her a ring and see what else she figures out, what she wants. This is her second car that she's done with us. She's like, Randy, I trust you, just whatever you want to do. You know, I always love that. This guy in the back, man, I'm telling you right now, he's a good friend of mine, super tough customer, love him to death. He's like, I don't know if I'm gonna like the paint protection. Just do the front clip. Took it home. He's like, do the rest of my truck, please. So he brought it back in today. We're gonna do the full doors and then the full bed sides. He's like, maybe just do the front doors. And then he's like, oh, maybe do the rear doors too. Oh wait, go ahead and do the front doors, rear doors, and the bed side. And then he texted me last night, this is like 10 o'clock. He's like, dude, I really think the rear bumper would be a good idea. And then the tailgate. I'm like, dude, okay, so we got the whole truck, okay? So just say the whole truck pretty much, except the roof. We're gonna do that in paint protection film. I've got another paint protection outside, and this thing, man, is going off the rails. This color is already kind of cool. This is a stock color. They wanted to be a little different. We just wrapped her husband's C7. Now we're doing her ride. It's time. And look, this is called Urban Jungle. Super fun color. It is gonna be hitting. It is a banger, for real. So that's how we do it. We take it completely off, take the handles out, hinges all off, all the seals are out. So when we wrap the vehicle, all this stuff will be hidden. It'll look painted. It'll look factory. We'll take it to the next level, you know, and that's what we want. He's got another one done over here. He's banging it out. I don't know if anything's on this side yet or not. The first day is typically disassembled, but look, all these doors are wrapped. In the right light, it looks almost like the factory color, but then you can see the color change, the color shift, changing lives over here, making dreams happen. You want something special, hit me up. Like, comment on there, tell me what you think of this stuff. Tell me if there's anything you'd like to see. We'd love that. Well, I got all my guys in here working today, and I thought maybe we'd go check them out, say hi. You can see them. They're just jamming through the day. We're just tinting cars, and I got a finished Hellcat over there. No big deal. We just wrapped a Hellcat. Then I've got a Celine Mustang on deck for going next. So I'll go show you all that stuff. So you can check it out, see what's happening. All right, hey guys, hang on one second. I'll be right back. And we made it. No, that's for real. I walked down here. So my guys are tinting some big stuff today. What is this? Guys, what kind of truck is this? 5500 HD? Oh my God. Oh yeah. Definitely a big old truck, huh? Wow. Wow. Yeah, so we do them all, you know what I mean? Whatever glass, we'll tint it, you know what I mean? Bet your glass will tint it. See all this tint on the ground? My guy's been doing it all day long. You know, we got a Stinger over here and a minivan. You guys might have seen this minivan before if you've been watching some of our other videos. We kind of blanked a lot of this stuff out. The guy came back and wants us to do the door handles. So we're gonna wrap those right now. We're gonna do the taillights black. We're gonna tint those bubbies out, and then we just tinted the Stinger. I think this is a common thing on this, and I always suggest it to people. I don't understand this. So if you're like watching the people that make this or whatever, your roof is half black. This is black. Why did you not make this black? I don't understand. I really legitimately don't understand. So I always point that out to customers like, hey, let's make this to this black so it matches. And then you have like a panel roof. Doesn't that look way cooler? You're gonna see that happen. Ramon's about to jump on that. With the tinted windshield, it'll look like it flows black all the way to the back. And I think it looks super cool. And it's a really easy mod to do to your car. These are the Stingers. They're fun cars. What are they, like 450 horse or something like that? Something like that. They're if you know, comment on there. We'd love to hear it. Like they're a little fun, little fast, little car to drive around. This dude Devin, he's got like 5 or 6 cars. I've done a lot of cars for him, so he's super cool. He dropped it off this morning, and we're getting it done up for him. And he had some old bad tint on there. We fixed it up. Did you guys see the old Mustang outside, the Celine or whatever? We're gonna wrap it matte white, so it won't be a big change. But these cars are getting rarer and rarer. It's on deck outside. Oh, you might have seen it when it was wrapped in chrome, right? Like, so it was chrome once. The guy picked it up. He said, "Man, you know what? Can you make it look cool?" I said, "Sure, let's wrap the whole car, something fun, something to match the jams." And it's a fun little car, but it had a lot of paint issues, so it needs something new. And we're gonna wrap the whole thing in a matte white, give it a refresh, probably talk him into powder coating the wheels a little bit, get this thing jazzy fresh. And you can find it at your local car lot and pick this thing up. Look at this faded roof, all wet sanded out. Tune into another video and you're gonna see this thing looking brand new. My guys will bang it out. It's on its way. But we're having a good day, man. It's a solid day here at Sho-Me Tint. We got a lot of fun projects coming up. We got a lot of work to do. I mean, I'm hyped. You know what I mean? I've got a super secret project that I'm working on that I really hope I get the job. The guy told me I had the job. I don't like to count my chickens before they hatch. Dustin, you know I'm talking to you right now. I can't wait to make it happen. When I make it official, I'm gonna announce it on here and be like, guess what I'm tinting? And you're gonna be like, what? No way. And it's gonna be cool. It's probably the biggest job I've ever done. So it'll be super fun to disclose that information. Make sure you tune in, check it out. I'd appreciate it if you like it, subscribe, share our stuff, comment if you want us to do anything. Or just whatever. We appreciate your feedback. We love hearing from you. Thanks for checking it out, guys. We appreciate you. All right. See you soon.